As a hiker, there are some trails that you just don't forget. They're part of the top 10, top 20, and the Endless Wall Trail, located in the New River Gorge area of West Virginia, will probably make that list for you. On a map, the trail doesn't look very long. It's only listed a little over 2 miles. In trail guides, it might even be listed as easy as a hiking trail. However, that is a little bit deceptive because this trail has many offshoots and spurs that go right up to the edge of the wall, and some people might call it a cliff, but in this area it's called a wall. And those add a lot of time, a lot of distance to this trail. In fact, if you go to this and hike this trail, I would suggest allowing at least 3 hours if you want to explore all of the offshoots. Now, there are 2 areas where there are ladders that go down part of the way down the wall. And this ladder is used as access for those who enjoy rock climbing. But even if you're not a rock climber, I would suggest doing at least one of the ladders to go down and explore some of the rock formation. If you plan to do that option, bring with you some type of gloves that have grip, whether it's athletic gloves or work gloves. You don't have to wear it the whole hike, but when you go down the ladder, especially if it's a wet day, I would recommend that. Again, this will be a trail that you will put as one of your top trails and enjoyment and scenic views. So enjoy this. So let's go. Let's have fun.
Okay, yeah, grab your... I don't know where it ends. Probably miles and miles. I mean, 15, who knows?
Okay, there's a little side thing. I'm just gonna, let's go over, I know this is the main trail. Let's do this just to see what we got going here.
There's a little side note here, it looks like.
Yeah.
Let's see what this is about. Fairly, yeah. See what we got down here. Anything?
Yeah, we're at the edge of a...
Wow. Yeah, there is a rock. Yeah, there's a rock down here. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's, oh my gosh. Look at that. Where that's at, that ledge.
Yep.
Ooh. Man, dude. Wow. Oh my gosh, that's up high. Oh wow. Oh shoot, you're way up there. Look at, oh man, check this out. Dude, you're way up. Oh, you're way up here. No wonder somebody said, look, oh geez. Yeah, you're up a little high. Yeah, you're up just a little bit high. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow, wow. Ron, be careful, man. Look at it, look at it. That's crazy looking. Look. That is a rock over there. That's not a house. That is a rock. Ron, stop. Ron, stop. Ron, quit. You are, I'm telling you.
You want to do that rapid down there?
I'm not sure. That looks real calm, yeah, actually.
Well, there's one over to the side or on the bend.
Look.
See, now you can see part of the wall over here. When they say the endless wall, you can... Remember, not everything's exposed because of vegetation.
Right. Then you got some on
and there's the wall over there, too.
Yep.
I might lose my hat in this.
Yeah, I'm trying to... Wow, it's pretty windy up here.
One other note, while you are hiking this trail, just beware that the drop-offs are steep, and just be careful because there are times when you can come up to the edge before you realize it. Now typically on the main trail itself, you don't come up to the steep drop-off unexpectedly, but when you do the spurs, offshoots, you will sometimes find yourself immediately right to the wall and there's a drop-off. So just be sure to use caution. And some of the rocks do have cracks in them and they fill with dead vegetation, and so sometimes there's holes there that aren't obvious until you step into the area. So just be careful when walking along the edge of the wall. It says here.
Yeah, let's see what the legend said. What's the legend say?
Climbing access.
Climbing access, endless wall. There's a ladder on. There's a ladder down there. Big steel. Wow. Oh goodness. Oh man. See what? Oh, just okay. It goes down underneath the rock, I guess. Yeah, in between the.
Let's see.
This is cool. Oh, there's rock anchors, or climber anchors.
Let's see.
Look at that huge chunk that fell. That might be the square piece that piece I was looking for. Getting out here. Well, where does it go? Huh? So you go down there and then what? I mean, like you go. You duck.
Then there's another ladder.
Oh, so you duck underneath of it? I mean, like duck underneath the harder going up. It's a workout. Going down is easy, but climbing up, gotta use more strength. That's cool right here.
I know.
Nice and cool, huh?
There actually are some